The XDP HD Gear Reduction Starter is the perfect choice for any diesel owner that is looking to consistently start their vehicle in even the most extreme conditions. XDP's HD Gear Reduction Starters are built around a smaller motor that is faster, more efficient, and draws less amperage. The gear reduction design produces more torque than your factory starter to turn over aggressive diesel engines, and it's physically smaller, which reduces weight and makes for an easier installation. The XDP HD Starter is covered in a high-quality wrinkle black coating to give you good looks and a long-lasting corrosion protection. The XDP HD Starters are available for Dodge Cummins, Ford Powerstroke, and GM Duramax trucks. To find out more, check out xdp.com or find a local dealer near you.